Okay, so what we're going to do here, we're going to do a couple short snippets of videos for the ankle tape job and break it into sections. So the first section is going to be where we're going to talk about, hey, if we're going to do the ankle tape job, the closed basket weave ankle tape job, first thing we want to remember is, okay, selection of tape. And then make sure that we have then our proper materials. So we're going to have selection of tape, we're going to have our tuf-skin, we're going to have a pre-wrap, and we're going to have heel and lace pads, okay? And in a perfect world, again, the athlete would be clean shaven, we'd have a nice landscape of fresh skin to work with, and then we have to look at the body position. We always want the athlete's ankle to be in an L position. And from there, then we're just going to go ahead and start the process. So what we do first then is we would then spray with tuf-skin. Because of my model right now, I'm not going to spray, but we'd spray, all over the foot, medial, anterior, lateral, posterior. After we've sprayed, then we're going to go ahead and put our heel and lace pad on, okay? So we put one on the Achilles down here, and we put one over the top of the tendons on the foot here anteriorly. And then when we do our pre-wrap, simply I like to start medial, and I start into the arch, medial towards the midline of the body. If we chop the body in half, okay? And I roll the pre-wrap out this way so I can create a little tension as I come around once. So then as I do that, then I can kind of stretch it a little bit. And then all I do is just kind of overlap and catch the heel maybe twice, 3 times, and then catch the rest of the heel and lace pad. Again, I would stop here if the athlete was clean shaven. If they're not, I'm going to come up to this area where the muscle starts to taper down. It's kind of the back of the calf back here, we refer to as like the muscle tendon junction. So it's just where the muscle starts to taper. And then I would, in this case, we'll have to go up a little bit higher for this athlete and then just tear it off. Again, a thin layer of pre-wrap, okay? So that's the first section. We're going to stop there and break it down further.